and today we are going to be playing Pressure Washing for Brainrots. This is a new game that I found, so let's get straight into it. So, what am I supposed to do? Wait, what? Oh, you're supposed to pressure wash for Brainrots. Like, what am I saying, bro? Bro, the name is literally, bro, the gameplay is literally in the name. Okay. Can I go to the second area already? I can't. Wait, I can. Look, it's going down. I can get a 1.2 second. Look. Oh my god. Let's go. I'm the best. Alright. We're gonna try to speedrun this game as fast as I can, boys. Okay, so, now we can upgrade our power here. Only plus 5 power, okay. Now we can do a bit faster, but I don't think I... Am I doing it faster, though? I don't think I am. Oh, yeah, I am. Okay. Wait, can I... Hold on, hold on. Please, please. Dude. Nice. Okay, got it. Let's go. Oh my god. Let's go. 4.5k a second. That is insane. Oh my god. Why does it cost so much to upgrade, bro? That is like, bruh. Alright. Now we got 60 strength. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Look at this. We're fast now, baby. Okay, but why is I'm still so slow here? I'm supposed to be zooming. Wait, you can get pets? 5k a second? I see it, I see it, I see it. I see 6k, 6k. Do I get 5k first? Yeah, I'm gonna get 5k first. That's like upgrade, $500 upgrade. Not bad. But can definitely be better, so I'm gonna go back. But before that, I want to increase my speed. So just increase, just buy more. 155 strength. Now, can I one shot this? I can, okay. Can I one shot this too? No, I can't. Okay, that is like not good. Okay, but I can do this kind of fast, so. Ooh, there's a 12k. Lucky block. Do I got lucky block? 20. That's 23k. What's this? Chocolate bar. There's a new event though. No. Come back, come back. Yes, I can pick it up. Let's go. Oh my god, that's insane. Oh yeah, we're about to make some big money here. Rhino Toaster Vino. That is not bad.
Meanwhile,
23 a second. 2.4 million to upgrade. Like, bro, do you think I'm Elon Musk, bro? Okay, now, what is this? Upgraded from level 50. What? Oh, give me. Dude, please give me. Wait, what? Wait, wait. You can upgrade people's stuff? Wait, what? Wait, I have a trillion. Wait, wait. I have literally a trillion. Oh my god, I'm being carried. Oh my god. Dude. Oh my god. Dude. I can still get past this. What? Dude. That's insane. I got carried. Oh my god. I was so confused. Like, what is upgraded from this to this, bro? I am so confused. Divine Brainrot sponsor. Wait, upgrade your power washer. Oh my god, I can upgrade it here. Boom, buy this. Let's go. Alright. Well, that is. Now can I one shot it, bro? Now can I one shot? I can, a bit. What is that? I can get to it. Hold on. 130 billion a second, bro. Wait, what is this? Wait, what? What is this? What am I supposed to do? Wait, what? It says fill up, so do I just... Wait, what? I got candies. Oh, these are not brain rots. These are just gummy bears. Okay, okay. Now I know. Oh my god, I'm still not strong enough. What? Can I reset? Oh, I can. Dude, I'm making so much money. Dude, I have... Why is my thing NA? What? It's fine. Okay, my money string is just broken now. It's fine, dude. It's fine. It's fine. The common lucky block, a rare lucky block, a epic lucky block. I want to get it. A legendary lucky block. A legendary. How much does it cost to upgrade though? 40 million? Hey, that's not bad. Oh yeah, that's not bad at all. Not bad. Oh my god, I need money though. 290 trillion to upgrade it, bro. Hell yeah. How much money do I have? Okay. 5 billion a second. It's not even worth as much as this. And my money is still broken. Okay. Sure. Dude, I can just rebirth over and over again. Sure, I guess. Wait, what do I do with the candies? What do I do with the candies? Boom, 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 boom. I got rarity. What? Okay, I got boom, boom. Give me something good. I got um 100k a second, not bad. Sure, and 80k. Okay. Oh, this is okay. Okay. I need more candies though, so I guess I'll just go around and collect this. Alright, I've got a lot of candies and 44. I can get 8 of them, so I'm gonna see what I open. There's a 1% chance I get this, so I need that. So 1% chance, guys. 1%. 1%. 1%. 1%. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. This white one. Um, golden. Candy grand prize. 60 million a second. 1%. I need to get this. Okay, I am not stopping this video until I get that 1%.
A few minutes later.
Right, here's the second batch. Let's see how much I can get. I got, okay. Um, sure. Oh, you can look. Wait. Oh my god, I got the third rarest, 20%. Well, I'm just gonna sell everything since I don't really need them, and I'm gonna open all of these lucky blocks. I'm gonna sell everything in my inventory. Okay. Let's open this, let's see, do I get it? Do I get it? Do I get it? Oh, I got this, another K, okay. Or is there one more? Now, okay. Alright. Okay. Sure. I'm gonna get more. Alright, I got more candies. I have 42. Let's see. Can I get this? Hopefully I can. If I don't get this, I will be very mad, and I need to get that all again, and that was painful. I do not want to ever do that again. I got this. Wait, is that it? Wait, no, that's the 9%. No, I thought I got it. Please, three. Another one? No, no. Okay, I'm getting scammed. Okay. Well, at least I got. Where is it? Uh, this. Sure. I mean, that's good, right? Is that good? I mean, I think that's good, right? Is it? It's good, right? I can get more power. I got like a lot of powers now. Do I get more? Yeah, I'm gonna be that when I get more.
Moments later.
Alright, for the 1 millionth time, I have got 43 candies. Please, I just want the 1%. That's all I'm asking you. I'm gonna open. Yeah, sure. Sure. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. 1%. Come on. Come on. I know you want to give me it, right? Alright, I got another 47 candies. I can get 9 more. Hopefully I get it. Please, bro, just give me it, man. Just give me. I want to end the video right now. I wanna go do my I have school, man. Come on, man. Spare me. What's the name of this? Basanto. Can I search? Buzz. Okay, I don't have it. Okay. Well, I mean, I got like, yeah, I got a gummy bear. I'm gonna cry. Well, I'm gonna get back when I get more. Alright, I got a lot because just now there was a candy event, so I got a lot. So hopefully this is enough. Is it enough? I can literally get so many. Look at how many I have. So hopefully I can get like the 1%. I'm just gonna open everything and see, and then I'll go check the bottom. Alright, I got everything. Check for bu- I actually got it. Wait, wait, what? It says 60 million a second. Candy grand prize. I actually got it, but it's it's literally, is it? Hold on. Alright, guys, I'm gonna end it here, and we literally got like carried to the max. So we also complete our goal by getting the rarest brain rot in the candy lucky block, the 1%, and it's literally worst. So this is actually a very nice game. I recommend you try it out and hopefully not get carried because I never enjoy like in the pressure washing here, but because I got carried and yeah. So I'm gonna end the video here. Please subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you on the next one.